What's good, YouTube, boy? Yes, I got the shirt on. Yes, I got a shirt on this video and the last video. You wanna know why? Because nigga, I did 2 videos in 15 minutes, nigga. Fuck you talking about, nigga? So, you know what I'm saying? The grind real, you know what I'm saying? Road to 100K, bitch. First road to 5K. You know what I'm saying? Your boy gained 400 subs in a month. Hey, your boy coming up, but fuck all that. Man, let's get into the reaction video. I know nobody gonna see this video for real because so many reaction videos on it. So whoever saw it, subscribe to my channel if you new. Whoop whoop, DDG, this Lil Yatchy. DDG, Lil Yatchy, diss track, whatever. But you know what I'm saying? You know how I do. I bring shit to the next level. So let's get it, my nigga.
SKT, DDG, that's always.
It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. Boy, quit playing, you know you a fan to me. Iced out and my neck look like P. You don't know me, alright nigga, we gon' see.
Oh.
Fuck yeah.
I ain't lame, I ain't broke, bitch, I'm bustin'. This me back and I'ma beat your Joe Button. DJ Academics gon' report something. Somebody tell India that I'm fucking. Do a bid, then I collect my pay. About your album, I have nothing to say. Take a nigga fans, take a nigga base. You don't know me, you gon' know me today. Harley, 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 Harley. Your album, sorry, 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 sorry. Bitch, I'm gnarly, 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 gnarly. Ain't from the D, but the buffies on my cardies. Run a nigga out his motherfucking socks. You only poppin' because this they lay Fox. You don't know me, why you boosting, you should stop. You hella ugly and your hair built like a mop. Your hair built like some dirty ass Cheetos. India said you annoying like mosquitoes. Bitch, I'm popping middle finger to your ego. Tip for album, but you know it should be Frito. It's DDG, I don't know no SKT. Boy, quit playing, you know you.
Let me try that call, man. Yeah. Hey, that joint hard though, man. But you put that leg watch up. Hey, man. I mean, shit. Since everybody dissing to get clout. Hey, DDG. If you hear me, if you ever see this video, which you not, but I know one of your fans gonna see it. I want everybody to go on DDG Twitter, DDG Instagram, all that. Let him know I'm dissing his ass for the clout. And I'm gonna say in the song, Essence, slapping him out. I'm going harder, but look. Hey, DDG diss track coming on the way, man. I'm doing a diss track on that bitch ass, man. You know what I'm saying? You gonna diss my boy Libo. You know what I'm saying? Anybody diss my nigga get away with that. But you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna get that clout, that fast clout real quick. I'm a few. You know what I'm saying? I'm a fool, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna do this. So hey, y'all think it's probably a DDG diss track, man. Y'all let me know, man, in the comments, man. Gang, 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 woo, woo, type shit, you know what I'm saying? Alright.